Welcome back, everybody. We have a small Revel haul. It is a small little sell, so I picked up a couple little things. So we'll be swatching those today. I got the Hula Isle Dip Powder Theme Set and a couple other 75% off ones. So Dune Dust and Red Rocks, Moroccan Lights, and Secret Slider Rock. So let me get that set up so we can swatch those, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're all set up. This is the Hula Isle. I am terrible with the prank. I'm just terrible at speaking these days. I'm just not even going to try. Alright, so we have Grass Skirt. Apparently this is the color everybody wants this summer. It has sold out a couple times. You could only get it in the set at first, but they did bring it out as a by alone. It is a color changer. Alright, so we have our base. Let's just open them all up so we can do this fast. Swatching has been my arch nemesis lately. Trying to keep up so I have them all done. I have a whole bunch of swatch sticks I gotta stick back on my rings. It's not too hard to get behind, that is for sure. Oh, those are some pretty colors. I'm gonna have fun with those. Alright, so let's do Grass Skirt, our color changer. Let's see if I can open up my bottles. I know I'm gonna run out with these. So I got some backups ready to go here. Oh, well, that's a first for me. That one is gone. We lost our brush inside it. All right, on to the next. So apparently you can actually bust off your brush inside. Okay, there's our first coat. Looks like there can be one coat. I think I'm gonna let that be because I just need to know what color they look like. I don't need to use a bunch of product just for my swatches today. It's just for me anyway. Unless we get a very sheer color, then we'll do two. That's a good coat coverage too. I think we'll go with one coat on that one as well, so we can get them all done in this one video. You've seen one swatch video, you've seen them all. You just want to see what the color looks like. This has got a pretty glitter in it. These are going to be pretty for this summer. Really pretty. Really nice. All right, I'm going to do my jar tops, and then we'll put them all out nice for you, and then we'll go on to the next colors. So give me a few minutes. We'll be right back. So that's what those ones all look like, and we're going to set up for the next set. Okay, this will finish off the rest of my dips until we buy again. Let's hope we don't do that anytime soon, because I don't have any more room. All right, so we got Cocoa, Dune Dust, Secret Cider Rock, Moroccan Lights, and Red Rocks. That one's got a nice little dusty gold in it. These probably look good together. It's got a glitter in it as well. Nice little silver. I wonder if these were a set at one time. These little rock ones. They were the 75% off, so they're like $2 and change. They should marble nice together. I think we'll try and do that later. These were the ones. Okay, let's start with Cocoa. This one I picked up just to have a nice dark brown. I like to have a nice dark brown for short nails. I cut mine down. They're already growing. Nice for fall. Nice little palette cleanser. Careful with these so I don't get glitter in the non-glitters. Got a little fuzzy in there. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, this one's really pretty. Nice little copper. These ones laid really nice and flat. see if we're going to need a second coat for those. Coco's going to need a second coat. I didn't do a really good job of doing my liquid. I think that would be okay. No. I think we're just going to go ahead and do 2 on these 2. I think these 2 will be fine. All right, I'm going to do my little top swatch dots and we'll be right back. And this is what this last set looks like. So that's what these all look like. And I got the dots on those ones done. And don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell on. My next video, I will be reviewing the new Melody Susie. Well, I guess it's not new. It's new to me. Their new, or the S series drill. I just got that for my birthday from my mother. Thank you, Mommy. And I will be doing that and testing it out and then finishing up the review on the soak off from Revel, that Swift Soak. And I think that's the last 2 videos I have to finish off. And that is all I have that I can think of right now that's going on. And until then, see ya. Bye.